Today I'm just mainly going to focus on Dollar Vibe Club and on another website I was currently working on, or that we did yesterday. And then I'll see. I'll still need to see and decide a bit what I'm gonna do today, but we'll go from there and see. First off, let me put on some music and then we'll get started. But I'm still gonna make the website for my friends that I was doing yesterday. This I will need to see how I'm gonna do because I do like this menu type. We need to figure out like some nice way that we can implement it. One moment. One moment while this thing loads. Okay, all good. Let me get started. Vibe Combinator, this is it. I need a way that people can like choose to make, when they click on the menu, that they can choose it extended or not to be extended. Yo, the guy, what's up? Welcome to stream. I'm currently adding new features to the Dog Vibe Club. Also, if you have any you recommend, you let me know. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the chat and I'll add them. But first off will be fixing the menu. I'm good, I'm good. Let me see. Another day to Vibe Code, so all good. I'm a bit sad that Fable 5 ain't back yet, but yeah, then we're gonna do this giveaway sooner, or well, we already knew that Fable 5 wasn't gonna be back for a long time, so. My bad, what I meant is that when people hover over it, it should only show the text when people click the extend button. And I added your feature, the guy, or I think, yeah, it was you, I think. And this I'm probably gonna change somewhere different, but we'll see. Let me see. Yeah, I just need to fix a glitch because I saw it's like glitched. It's like an easy fix. Yeah, and then maybe it's also easier for people that are new to the Dalek Vibe Club, then it's like more easy to recognize everything. This is the admin panel, so there's screens here you all will not see, but I just have like admin open for me to double check some stuff. Let me double check something. I have like PDF here. What do we need to connect this fully with Google? Like that people can log in with their Google account? Because I will need to double check that, but I have done it before for projects. Like I just didn't implement it on this one yet, since now I fully take this over. And this I will also do, this website. Oh, my Chinese is not good enough to read that. Text on the side still needs to be bigger. Yeah, we'll check all the bugs for sure. I'll also do this quickly, this side. On the side, top left. Chinese character in the top left needs to be much bigger, as you can see, like, normally we'll get it here, menu. Uber Eats button should be green also. But I'll check all the bugs in the channel, and then if anybody has like recommendations for something we can add, you let me know. But yeah, some of the dark light mode stuff I will also check. How to connect Google login to my website. Dollar Vibe Club. Dollar Vibe Club. Sometimes it's better just to type it. Maybe just because I'm talking with an accent. This one next. Yo, Sans, good morning. Quickly setting up the Google login already on the Dollar Vibe Club. I'll just call DVC user. You're nothing with the key, by the way, for somebody who's gonna try and take it. You're nothing with the ID. Overview. Normally it should be. I'm gonna see what the AI needs. Yeah, I know when this token is all good. Oh, you can easily wire it up via Supabase that I didn't even think about. I didn't even know Supabase had that feature. But well, since it has that, it will be much easier without me like struggling with the whole Google Cloud Console stuff. Superbase Google login. Superbase Google. Just Google Alt. Alright, nice. It's gonna be much easier than I anticipated. Like, I was assuming I would need to do a full setup in the Google console, but apparently it's not gonna be that big of a deal. Nice. Nice. Okay, I would need to do it. Never mind. Google Alt. Okay, never mind. It was gonna be a problem. Well, then we'll learn together how to do a full Google Alt setup. But it's already much easier than I was anticipating. Is this already here? Slow. Yeah, yeah, it is a pain. I also did that for like Apple. The good thing was they helped me a lot with it, or like they were saying, this is bad, change this. I don't know if they help you a lot, Sans, like in Android, or if they like hold your hand through the process. Because for me they did, but it was like, yeah, Apple, so. Why can't I click around in this? My Wi-Fi is fine, so I don't know why the Google console doesn't want to load. Okay. APIs and services. Alt consent screen. Claude Code. I haven't even submitted any yet. I'm using it to try and make them look real good. Ah, okay. Ah, nice. A domain, that's fine normally. To be safe, I'll just delete this one because I showed on stream. DVC user. One moment while I fix this. One moment while I give it to him. Let me see what he needs. We don't really do marketing yet, except for the streams. What do you mean? For the dollar vibe club, I don't use AI marketing yet. We're mainly just building in public now, but I'm checking something for the auth. Authentication providers, it's normally on. Sign and provide. Okay, here it wasn't that clear. Callback URL has been updated. Let me double check this. Okay, I added it in Supabase. Some of the info was already filled in, but now I just approved it. You check this all for me, just make sure it all works and it's not glitched. Just checking so the thing didn't do something drastic. Up. Just because I'm not fully sure what I can show and what not for this. Because this is the first time I've done this via Supabase. Google signups are also held up for approval by me. They need to be approved by the admins. Number 2, same email accounts is fine. Nice to haves, definitely do add the nice to have. What's the problem here? What design? For this? I'm making this for a friend of mine. You mean the dollar vibe club? But I do need to fix some stuff for this, because like the takeaway box needs to be like higher. It's currently a bit too low. Also make sure that because you have like a stamp emblem, you need to fix some of the text. I'm just making this on the side for a friend of mine quickly. Or well, quickly, I started on it yesterday. I do need to add some photos, but all good. Yeah, it has some glitches, but so also because it's like zoomed in. But for the rest, it's nice, and then people can just call and everything. Because his nephew or cousin, I think he's 16, he made this lovable site for school or something, and then now I'm just gonna make him a new site because he didn't even know he had a website. He didn't even know of this lovable site until I like found it when I wanted to order with him, or when I was like in the neighborhood. And this I cannot check that well, so then he will just need to read and make sure. Alright. Okay, but the Google Auths did seem simpler than I assumed. Yo, the guy, welcome back. I'm quickly setting up Google authentication. What kind of exam you have tomorrow? I do hope it works. Like, I don't want the Google give. If somebody later on I will test it on my extra Google account, just that it works. And this I need to check, but maybe just because it's my image. Religion exam? It's the first time I've heard of that. But well, maybe it's because we don't have that in Belgium. Or not really, like we didn't have exam for religion. It was just like the teacher would rate you and just give you a small test, but it was like during the lessons before the whole exam started. It was just like a quick thing you needed to fill in. But it didn't like give a lot of points. I don't think you could have like been withheld if you failed that. In my country, in my school at least. Yeah, I'm fixing it now. I'm like adding Google authentication that people can just log in with Google. And it's easier than I remember. But maybe it's because I used Supabase, like it works now, apparently. It's now double checking everything, making sure that when people log in, your Google photo gets added. For example, well, this account doesn't have a photo, but that like, it gets taken over if you have added something here, like this Chrome account. I should also add all my other Chrome accounts, because I have them on my other laptop here, but not on this new one. But I never use it. This all fix. Like, I want a transparent background video, but then I need to like really edit it. And it's a bit harder to do. And ChatGPT isn't that great with it, last time I checked. But ChatGPT does have, he has made some nice images, so cannot complain. Let me know what kind of images we still need. Also, I'm not a big fan of the video and the banner currently. Also, install Playwright and then just do a full rundown for me. Do a full rundown if you see any visual bugs that you really 100% know are bugged, you will fix them. And then any optional changes, you let me know. And then we'll do that and I'll just say yes or no. This I need, here I'm gonna add a phone number, or well, it's here already, but the button needs to be nicer. This, when you like, the French text is a bit too like, in each other. And not all the text gets translated. Also, not all text gets translated. For example, some of the food text, when you go to a different language, it doesn't get translated. It stays in Dutch with like the title and then the short description of the food. Yeah, everything works fine. It's now adding it. It's like much easier to do now. I will see if it works after with my own Google account, and then we all good. Also, where's the PDF I added? This one. Alright. Yo, me.style, just call you me. Me, welcome to the stream, man. Also, add the Discord button below the Google login and just like make it redirect to the Discord server. Thank you. I'm sure that the AI will know where to place the button to like log in, but if he doesn't, then I'll double check. But now me, welcome to stream. Let me know what you're working on. Say hi and just let me know where you're from. And do join the Discord. I'll put the Discord link. Well, it's in the description. You can join the Discord via the description. Because sometimes it doesn't work when I post a link in the chat, apparently. Oh, he can do playwright, and then he can visually check this side. This one is also good. It does take a while for him to do the Google login. It's already been 8 minutes. What bug? Well, I'm still doing some of the bugs, the guy. If there's some... The lighting isn't fixed yet. The lighting I'm fixing. But the lighting I will need to like double check. Yeah, here for example, this box needs to be a bit to the right. Also, what's up, Blissman? But yeah, I need to like move this a bit to the right. Here also. It's just a few... It's like these borders that I need to fix. But for the rest... And also in some sections I will need to check where it is. Here's fine. Yeah, here. Just that there's no white on white text. Or beige on white, or whatever you want to call it. Also, let me approve some people. Let me see. Pending claims. I'll approve some people to the Dollar Vibe Club in a few. If I can click on it. Let me see while I check the rules here. No, this is I'm working on the Dollar Vibe Club and on a friends project. This is just a former friend of mine. Or well, friend. This is not a Fiverr client. This is somebody I know. Or it's not a freelance client. Okay, he's doing a playwright, he's doing a playwright to check. What? How is he blocked on his own thing? Well, I will need to check why. But it's a Vercel document, so I will need to check. Or it's a Vercel URL. But normally he shouldn't be blocked because it's his own URL he's on, so add some fade. I will see about the fade and animation. It's kind of just the style and the design that it doesn't have the fade in. Normally I do it for every one of my sites, but I will see if I will add that. It's mainly just the design. Everybody now uses the fade and animation. It's not that like... I'll see like if we'll add it. It's just because everybody now kind of does it. Let me see, view profile. This is nice. Okay, but strange message on the side. Okay, but from what I can check, inspect. Well, I cannot see enough with like the thing zoomed in. To check if the SEO was like if the SEO works for the multiple languages, because I don't trust the AI. But I'll just double check with him after. Now, but I'll probably add a animation, but just not the fade and up, like not the standard fade and up animation that everybody uses. Let me see. I'll add something nice though. I'll get it from this, just because it's sometimes nicer if you just use the human mates, or well, some of this stuff is also AI that's on here, but it's like they sell it, so. Oh, I should have used this font for certain websites. Okay, no, most of these are Photoshop effects. I just check here. The AI agency template, might need to check this out later. If I can open it. Live preview. I'm just messing a bit around while the AI works on the site. Oh. Circle is strange. Certain parts of this is nice though, that I might add later on for my own website. This button I know. This is like too schizo for me to read or too fast. This is also not. No. This is nice. This is nice, this I will remember. Truly, Envato is just a good way to get things. Truly one of the best. Just to get IDs, everything. I just want to check if there's a finance mobile app. Okay, good to know. It has a few, so then I can later on. Because I am going to build a finance app just for myself. It's just the video, maybe we just need like an image with like a transparent background because the video is not gonna do it because it's like just like a block with a video in it. I'm not sure yet. Ah, okay, the tree. Also, when the dark mode is on, I mean, Dinger is the member of the cyber. What? No, that's the design style. If you mean this, and it's just like the purple. No, it does change color a bit. And this is dark purple. Yeah, just the house doesn't change. But I'll check that in a few. Also, let me see. Incognito, Dollar Vibe Club. Not listening, not listening. Or maybe you didn't push and merge. The Discord button I don't want in the top right. Like, I need the Discord button below the Google button. The top left. Let me see. Remember when I went on? I'll add that in a few. This is good. Oh fuck. I wanted to like edit the PDF. It's like the mosquito. There's always a mosquito in the room for some reason. I'm gonna see. App. Mobile. Well, they aren't really made for the web mobile apps, I guess. Because I just want a nice design, or I'll use Figma or Google Stitch. Because I just want to like make a finance app for myself and then just connect it. Like I already have a tool to do my finance, but it's only on my desktop. And I want to make also a mobile app for it. Then I can like easily when I'm in the store like note things down like easily. That's all updated and connected. Yeah, and I know I can also just like use my phone on a web URL, but it's more fun if you have an app. And it's so easy. I paid for the Apple account the $100 a year, so I'm gonna get my money's worth for it. Like, you don't need to pay for launching extra apps once you've paid the $100 or euro to the Apple company. And then maybe I can make extra money of the finance app, because I've never really made a mobile app since the Vital app, because I wasn't a mobile developer. Without vibe coding, I just couldn't do it. Well, I don't know how to code technically. I just have the design skills and the entrepreneurial drive or mindset. But yeah, that's what vibe coding is for. Like vibe coding, I will also say this, like the AI will not get rid of the coding jobs. It will just make coding, the senior coders will just code better. But you have a lot of coders that really hate vibe coding and say, AI, blah, blah, blah. Like constant complaining, and then you also have coders that use AI and then make even more progress and everything and just work better. Did you update this already? No. Oh, okay. Joiner. But maybe it's confusing that the join the Discord is here, but all good. Let me see, what did I want to do? Onboarding flows. I'm probably gonna go to Mobin or Dribble. I have the membership anyway. From like last month. Onboarding. Just because then it's like easier to take stuff over. Nope. We'll need to see how we'll do the onboarding flows. Because I want to like mix and match stuff. Where's my good friend Google Stitch? Here. We'll use this in a few, like, I only used this for a few demos long ago. It's actually crazy if you think about it, because Google Stitch is still in the beta, but it's such a nice tool, especially because it's free pretty much. Like, you don't... How much do I pay? Nothing pretty much. Yeah, you have a daily usage, but yeah, nobody's gonna fully use it. I didn't even know this was a thing. Does this literally leak the API key? Let me double check something. Oh no, it's the same key. You know, it's a fake key. All good. When I put the key in, when I put the real key in here, then I'll go to a different screen. Or maybe it's not that smart to connect him to Stitch, I'll see. Yeah, I also don't know. I think they added it recently. Also, I know it's just you have a different profile pic. I see. Like it almost didn't recognize you, Star, or it's Starlow. But yeah, I also didn't know they had one or made. Never mind. Never mind. I already used it like last month ago. Hello AI model training. No. If I don't get accept good tokens, then. But I'll probably not give it access to the Stitch API. I'll just make sure. I'll just tell it to send me prompts because I don't want it to just do random stuff. Flash is I think the best one. 3.0. Ah yeah, I changed it. Nice. I don't remember what their former profile pic was, but nice. Also let me see who's working. We already 40 minutes, like the time goes fast, man. Time goes fast. And let me see, did he fix some of the stuff? No, it's just... No, he's just not fixing the... Text on the homepage. The spacing between the left text and the banner is like they're too close to each other. I don't like that style. What images do you still need from me? What do you still need from me for like visuals and design? And then I'll give you images. You just need to give me a prompt because I'm gonna make them via ChatGPT to generate. Also, do please add animations into the whole site. Oh, wait, it has animations, never mind. It will generate something nice with Google Stitch, but I've like never used this. Or well, not a lot. Also, it's this. It's new. I thought it was like a gift box. Interesting. I'm gonna take a little stretch, so Tommy says, but I'm just gonna get a drink and take a piss. I am gonna... Okay, I'm back. But I'll probably use Google Stitch to design some of the flow. Also, while I'm here, I want to see, because I saw Vercel added some new stuff here, template. Or well, they already had this a long time ago, but... What's this? Level, oh, spell, forget. But... Let me see blocks. Okay, it's just that's like already integrated. Clone jobs? No. Because I was just curious what this exactly was. This is security. Well, the hackers aren't that smart. The hackers, the guys that try to DDoS the site ones aren't that smart. Let me see. Noted. When you're done, oh wait. Also, I want a full onboarding flow redesigned. So I need you to give me a prompt for Google Stitch, and then he will design the full onboarding flow, explain everything, what the $right clip is, what exactly we need, what's exactly going to be in the onboarding flow, and then he will give you the designs. Nah, it's free, or almost free. It's very cheap. It's like LinkedIn. If you have Gemini, it's like fully linked in with Nano, Banano, or whatever it's called. And yo, Jacob, what's up? I'm currently just doing the $Vibe Club on this site. A bit on the side while I'm double checking it all. What is this? Okay. Ah, okay. I thought it was already using my full usage. Here. I know I'm like taking my time on this site, but still, I wanted to make it very nice. And it does look nice. It doesn't look like a standard website. I just cannot like, or I don't. It will take more time if I really added a video. It's like transparent on the background and everything. I'm doing a Roblox automation while posting on Instagram. The portfolio work, nice. I don't know if there's really a thing to sell that a lot, but don't know. Or if you're just doing it for fun, all good. What's this? Ben? No. He's working, but I trust in him that he'll do something nice. Then he'll generate me a prompt for Stitch. And then we'll see. But it's so crazy, like you've so many templates already done, like soon, because you have like a lot of people posting on Instagram doing like blah blah blah, look at what I made, but it's like mostly templates. What's this? But I'll probably also make the finance app sooner or later. Yeah, I saw it for a moment on the screenshot. Homepage for board key. Bit too AI generated food, but all good. Misinput. Here, radio. I'll probably remove the Discord icon here, but I'll see. But but maybe I'll keep it because I do want the Discord numbers to increase. Because if you have like 1K on Discord, you can like ask for verification. Or well, not verification, but then you can like go public on Discord or something that in the servers. Or yeah, Discovery in Discord or whatever it's called. Yeah, Discovery here, Discord Discovery. You can like get this. Here, server Discovery. And you like can pop up in this page. And I don't think I've seen any vibe coding servers in Discord that are there, as far as I know. Let me even check right now. But I don't think so. Oh, where is it? Here. Vibe code. Okay, never mind, there is a view, I think. But those are like mainly for vibe coding platforms. As far as I know, at least. This is all good. Right. He's generating me the images, so all good. It's making me the onboarding spec that I can upload into Google Stitch after. Once this is generated, I'll add all the food images and then the site will look more complete. And then I just need to do fine tune. Okay, he's generating. Can I give him to you in chat? Very short answer, please. If he writes me a full paragraph, I just need to know if I can send it to him here. Strangely enough, the food does look like this last time I was there. We'll check something. It's all good. Now we just wait. I need to do some fine tunes, but for the rest. Does take a while, strangely enough, for the images, but I do understand why. He made me a full prompt. That's nice. So I'm just doing the fine tuning on the image. But it takes too long to load. We'll see when it's done. Okay, he has a color palette already. I don't know how he got that blue, but sometimes I used it before and it is nice though, but you just need to be very clear in what it is. But it's pretty much free, so do not expect like the world from it. But I do see some nice things it's making, like these icons I will need to improve, but it's not bad, like. And the cool thing is they work at the same time, multiple ones. Google Stitch, in my opinion, is nice though, but sometimes it tweaks out a little. Oh, he's beginning? Oh, never mind. Oh no, they are. Okay. Okay. I see. I'm cooking the onboarding flow for the Dollar Vibe Club. But I see that they are cooking. Look at this. Like some fine tunes. What is this? Yeah. Oh. No, but it's okay. Nice, nice. This can be a bit better. This. Wait, if the logo is here, this is decent. XP per step, profile badge, unlock the community. Needs to be a bit more clear. No AI dashes also. Nice, cooking. He's making all the flows, so this will take a while. Yeah, yeah, but the design is nice, in my opinion. Alright, we'll see what he cooks up after. I'm getting hungry from seeing this. But Google Stitch is also good. It's like from Nano Banano connected. Use these images. It's for the first 5 in order, I think. It's just with Stitch, they're already fully animated. Like you can click around. It just needs to make the backend. Like you can click around and everything, you just import it, and then Claude will just need to look and see, okay, what do I need to connect with Supabase, and then it's done. Why does he use a different font here? Is it me? No, he's cooking, that's all I can say. He truly is cooking, man. Nice. And then people also fill this in. Add as option in like, what tools do you tech and tools? I don't know, I just vibe code. As like tech and tools, nah, I'm just a vibe coder, no clue what tech and tools I use. Like, because people, we don't know the code. Some people don't know the codes. Like, don't know what coding languages, etc. Can you add the Wings thing logo there? Or just the company, top right, or in the right side? On the right. Oh, good. Yeah, you say I can upload in chat and then you don't do. Images. Food images. Don't teach people, just like ads, don't teach them coding languages for what could you help teach. Just do like design, API, like let people write their own things. Just like do design, backend, MCPs, but don't be adding coding languages to what you want to learn and what could you help teach. We are here to make, like, to teach vibe coding and internet money. We don't know the coding languages, we don't teach them. Because we're not a coding school. Or not fully, at least. This one is nice. This one is good or decent. This is mobile view. I think he's now gonna make all the mobile views, I'm not sure. Well, we'll see what he does when he's generated them all. Can you add the dragon logo together with the Chinese character? For all the ones new in the chat, do say hi. Let me know what you're working on currently. For the ones wondering what I'm currently building, I'm updating the Doll Vibe Club and doing a project for a friend of mine. Upload it. I'll upload the OG social image later. Can you make an easy way that I can just upload everything in one? Well, I'll just download it immediately. Copy, paste, pretty much anything except. I cannot. I thought somebody typed in chat. Also, why can't I not do what I want to do? It's now literally easier for me to like delete all of them and that I can. Yo, Johnny, what's up? Should I put my MC quota? What do you mean MCP course? Yeah, if it's already existing, you can put it on there. Or if you're admin, but I'm currently... Or you can send me what the course exactly is, and then I'll upload it for you later on. Code to clipboard. It's a bunch of code, I know. Also 5 and 7, they're updated, so use the updated versions, not the outdated ones. And be sure to update the info where you need, and then just make the full backend, and make sure that the onboarding flow, make sure that's like a pop-up, that it's not like fully obstructing this, that people can click away if wanting, but like that's really encouraging to fill it in. That's just a very, very large pop-up. And also any info that you think you can improve, you improve, because we do not teach coding languages fully, so don't be just putting React, Next.js, just be very clear, do not mention them too much. Ah, okay, I can take it over in the old site. Or normally, it's normally then already taken over and it's just in the database, and I can just upload it. Or just put it online. Social OG image also has been added, so please make